Hello, potato. Hello. Good evening, potato. Okay, how are you, potato? How are you? I'm okay. You are great. All right, so potato, are you now ready for our class this evening? Ready? All right, so you are ready. And Putin is also at your side. Hi, Putin. Hi, Putin. Putin is so cute. Putin is already a big boy, okay? Putin, hello. Okay, potato, let's ready now. So let's have this. Yes, hi. Reading activity. Okay. Okay. So here, potato, let's have test 02. Let's have a reading and writing activity. But first, potato, let's try to read first. What are the vocabulary words? What are the words we have here, potato? First, we have luggage. Again, luggage. Next, number 2. Passenger. Next, 3. Again, thief. Next. And next. Yeah. Well, again. Well paid. Again. Oh. Well paid. Again. Well paid. Okay, next. We have, last is this one. Arrange. Yes. Now here, potato, do you understand what is luggage? Potato, you know luggage? Yes. How about passenger? Do you understand passenger? Yes. How about thief? You understand thief? Ah, thief, no. So here, um, potato. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. Next, number 4, potato, we have well paid. You know what's well paid? Oh, no. If we say well paid, if you are working, potato, you are given salary that is good, okay? A good salary, a big salary that is well paid, okay? There you go. Okay, next. We have here arrange. Do you understand arrange? Do you understand arrange? Potato, arrange. Do you understand arrange? No. If we potato, if we say arranged, it means it is planned or organized something in advance, okay? If we say arranged, everything is organized. All right, arranged. Okay, not put anywhere. You arranged it. That's arranged. All right, so here, potato, look at this. Let's do part 1. That's question numbers 1 to 5, which notice A to H. Now, potato, okay, please draw lines. What does number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means? What does it mean? Is it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or H? Go, write the letter. Here, potato, you're going to understand. Okay? Understand which one here got the same meaning. Okay, go. Same meaning. Okay, look. Try, just try. If you don't understand, just don't answer it. Just choose the one that you know. Go.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know?
Yeah.
Okay, look at here. Please read number 1, potato. You must.
You must try carefully here.
Next. 2.
You can't eat cheaply here.
Cheaply. Again, cheaply.
Here. You can stay here on holiday. You
Next.
can find work here. You must not go in this way.
Okay. Very good. Now here, look at potato. Which one here got the same? Here, listen. Which one here got the same meaning of you can drive carefully here? Number 1. The answer here is letter H. Potato, can you please read what is letter H? Read H.
Danger, eyes on the road.
Okay, so it means here danger, eyes on the road. So here, if it means danger, eyes on the road, what will you do? It means you have to drive. It's danger. So what will you do? Drive. Please read.
Drive carefully.
Yes, that's why H got the same meaning with number 1. How about number 2? Read number 2, potato.
You can sleepy here. Chippy.
Okay, which one?
Travel express.
Okay, we have here is the travel. Your answer is letter.
Letter B.
Oh, let's see. Oh, it's not letter B. What's the answer? Letter,
Here's me.
letter. What?
He.
Letter G. What's this letter G all about?
Go to shop ball.
Okay, very good. Next, number 3, potato. Read number 3.
You can stay here on holiday.
Okay, you can stay here on a holiday. What do you think is the answer? Stay here on holiday.
And all dear.
Again,
E.
look at the answer. It's letter E. What's the answer? Letter E. Please read.
Console open all year.
Okay, open all year. Next, potato. Number 4. You can. Please read
You
4.
can work here.
Okay, you can find work here. Where is it?
Travel express. B.
Okay, so we have here. Let's check. Is it find work here, Travel Express? Are you sure? Try to find answer. Travel Express, meaning you travel, you go from one place to another. Okay, what's the answer? Go.
F.
Okay, letter? What letter?
F.
Okay, it's letter F. Very good. Next, potato, number 5. Please read 5.
You must not go in this way.
Okay, you must not go in this way. Which one here that you must not go in this way? That's the answer.
C.
Okay, let's try. The answer is letter D. Look at here, potato. Letter.
Answer of the door.
All right. Okay, you must not go in this way. So the answer is letter D. Please use the other door. Okay. Use the other door. All right. So very good, Winston, because you were able to answer some of the following. Okay, here, Winston, Potato, read a sentence about a birthday and choose a word from the following. Okay, here, go. Here, Potato, write your answer.
Okay.
Circle the letter.
Okay.
All right, so here, look at here. Potato, let's please read number 6. Go.
They got off the bus when the driver stopped outside a small village.
Okay. Number 7.
There was a garden into a field, so they climbed over it. They looked at the map to check when way to go.
Okay, next.
They walked for 2 hours till they across the river.
Okay.
Place so they sat down and had a picnic on a grass.
All right, so here, Potato, are you now ready to check your answers?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Number 1, they got off the bus.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I want to take
Okay, you want to check now? Check now? Potato.
here.
Okay, so number 1, they got off the bus when, here, when the driver stopped outside a small village. Very good, Potato. Wait me for a while.
Put the that.
For a while, Potato, for a while. I'll just get what. Okay, I'm back. All right, here, number 7. There was a blank into a field, so they climbed over it. Look at potato. You climbed over it. Where will you climb? In the garden?
What me?
Okay, go, 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 go. 6.
Okay.
Okay. That's your answer. It's now gate. Very good. Gate. Number 8. I told you to review. You did not review. Look at here. Number 8. They. Okay, look at here. Potato number 8. They blank at the map to check which way to go. The answer is they looked. Right. Very good. Number 9, potato. They walked for 2 hours until they. Oh, what's the answer?
Came.
Okay, came to the river. Next, number 10. It was a lovely place, so they blanked down and had a picnic on the grass. What's the answer? I sat. Perfect. Very good, potato. Great job. Okay, so you have to be careful next time. Okay, you have to review. Okay, potato, let's try to complete the 5 conversations in here. All right, just choose, is it letter A, B, or C? Okay, go, potato. Try to review your answer, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 27. Okay, so here we go, potato. Let's check your answer. Number 1. Hello, Sue. This is my boss, Mrs. Smith. What will you say? How old is she? What do you think? Potato, if it's your first time to know or to meet the person, what will you say? Potato.
What me?
Okay, go. Check your answer first. 48 minutes.
What me?
Okay, go, go, go. 21, 22. Done?
No.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, just tell me when you're done.
Okay.
You're done? Okay. Are you sure how much is it? Hello, Sue. This is my boss, Mrs. Smith. What will you say to boss, Mrs. Smith?
No.
Well, but they so careful. What happened to you? Oh no. Careful, careful.
Okay.
Okay. Look at the answer. Number 1 is very good. How do you do? Next, number 12. Oh, go. Tell me if you're done answering, okay? So we can check. Hmm, 22, 5, 29, 7.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, very good. Now here, let's check. Tell Ben to come upstairs. The answer is all right. Correct, potato. Next, number 13. Have you got a ticket? Oh, that's the answer. Here it is. Have you got a ticket? That's the question. Okay, it's yes, here it is. Number 14. Number 14. Let's go to Brighton tomorrow. The answer is go.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Next, number 15. Can I open the window, please? It's of course. Very good. Potato, look at here. You were able to answer this, okay? So, Potato, for the next class, you enter again. Potato, enter again so that you will have more time, okay? Potato, listen. Enter again, okay? Enter again.